All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back for our evening segment with yours truly, Dex the Algo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan. All right, so as you know, we have been really enjoying Bitcoin as of late, and so I'm not going to hold you. We're going to jump right into some things here. As you can see on the screen there, Wall Street braces for key inflation report. And right now, there is a flight to safety. Bitcoin is being seen as that safety, not gold, not bonds,
Mm.
not Nvidia, but Bitcoin. So we are still on track for that 70K target that we have on here. If you missed the earlier live stream, you can go and you can peep that on our website at pulsewavetrading.com. And we got really deep into it. I even showed you how to execute trades, crypto trades on the MEXC exchange platform. So you can go ahead
Yep.
and peruse that when you
Yeah,
get a
we have
chance.
our two recent webinars are really all about Bitcoin.
Yes.
And you can watch them instantly. You just got to put your email. Sorry to the members, you have to do that. Like I've been saying a million times, we'll fix that. But yeah, this one was how to trade Bitcoin using purely a cash exchange, a brokerage. I say exchange because I'm used to cryptos. And then today you did on Mexi, and you were great, Dex. You were like, I'm new to this, and you killed it. It was such a great thing because you hadn't used that exchange a lot, and it was a super helpful demonstration for anybody who wants to trade strictly using cryptos. So these were some of my favorite webinars ever. I say that all the time, but they keep getting better. But anybody can watch those for free. You don't have to sign in. You just click on webinars, and I'll get out of your way now.
Yeah, and not to mention MEXC is the easiest crypto platform I've ever used. I mean, it's easier than Binance. It's easier than
It's very
all
straightforward.
the other ones.
Yeah.
Seriously. So I have to say, I'm blown away by MEXC. Very easy to use and understand interface.
Mm.
So if
Yeah,
you
this was the one that we're talking about. Oh, I'm embarrassed. It says part 2 and part 3 on it, but it's supposed to be part 3. But that's what we did today, and you could get that right here on our site and watch it. You could skip to whatever part you need. It's all there for replay.
Yep,
And
we even showed you how to take profit. We took profit today too.
excellent, yeah. And just to let people know, since I'm already here, I won't come back and interrupt again. After this, what we do here every day is we use the A.T.A.C reports. That's algo trigger trend alert catcher, and that's what it does. It catches trends as they're forming, before they're forming, and using those individual reports that we have. It's a report full of reports, and using the lines of that report, you could place trades using make your own decisions and decide what you want to trade. But then we do these 2 live trading bullpens a day, where Dex walks us through what he's doing. And it's just been fantastic. We're having such a great time. So right after Dex's update now, we're going to go to that, and I'll let Dex do his thing so we can get to it.
Yep, let's knock it out.
All right, here you go, buddy.
All right, first things first, on your screen, we have XRP Ripple. And unfortunately, it looks like I was correct. As you can see, the algo chart pointed it out to us. We got a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. Looks like this market has now topped itself out. This technical bounce you got that everyone was hopeful that it would turn into a bear market rally has now ceased. And now it looks like it wants to go back down. We got a bearish trend momentum reading headed into the evening and for tomorrow's trading. All right, Zcash, ZEC also gave us a crash alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading, looking for the price action to drop back below the Kumo cloud. And with this bearish trend momentum reading kicking in, this is none other than the bear trend reclaiming the price action. All right, so looking for lower prices here in both of these. And you can see here NVIDIA. So remember, I showed you the other day this crash alert. Then today you get that narrow range inside type of a day, which usually sets up the next leg down. So look for NVIDIA to sell off heavy as early as possibly tomorrow morning. And your target is south of 700. Your downside target is south of 700. So we'll see if it can sustain itself and walk away with a bullish complexion after getting punched in the face here on this pullback. Next up is silver. Silver has the bullish trend momentum reading, and we had a positive bot check yesterday. So it's still saying it's not done yet. As long as you got a bullish trend momentum reading, there is hope that this market can get itself together. But the longer it stays below this Kumo cloud, the more selling pressure is building up. So you have to be aware of that if you are long silver or thinking to get long silver. Remember, this silver is in a bear market. Okay, so at any moment, the bear can come in and reclaim the price action. But first, we should have this upsurge here because we do have a positive bot check, which signals that a big upsurge is coming, and that can change the complexion of things and finally give the market another bear market rally. All right, so there's something to watch as we're going along here. The last bear market rally was back here, and it was a pretty good one. So the next one should take out the old high here. All right, it should take this out. We shall see. Things could get interesting in silver. Next is gold. Gold today gave us a negative bot check. So the polar opposite of silver, which means we're expecting a big down surge to come in the gold, which means this support that's been here at this 1996 is in jeopardy, meaning that gold should drop below 2K within the next 1 to 2 weeks. It should drop precipitously below 2K. All right, so that's something to be on alert for, especially if you're caught long in this market. All right, just something FYI. Next, we have the mighty Ethereum futures. Look at this explosion to 3,500, man. That's what I'm talking about. New 52-week highs, pulse waves in full effect. You got multiple rally alerts in this over the last couple weeks. The first one was back here. The second one was right here. The third rally alert right here. And if you took any one of these, you are loving life right now. So you know what I'm going to tell you. I'm going to say something that you probably don't want to hear. And that is you're probably going to need to tighten up those stops. Lock in some profit, all right? So that you don't, get punched in the face in case something happens in the overnight. All right? You never go broke taking profits. So tighten up your stops on your Ethereum. All right. Next is the Bitcoin futures. Look at that. Getting close to that 65. We got a new 52-week high here. Bitcoin hitting 65,000. We only need a couple of more thousand to take out the all-time highs and hit that 70, which is our initial upside target. And yes, you need to tighten up on those stops, lock in some gains. All right. If you are a pulse waver, you probably got long at this rally alert back here or back here. You need to tighten up. Okay, tighten up, tighten up. You never go broke taking profits, but you need to tighten up. Don't make the same mistake you made years ago when I warned you when it hit 68,000. I warned you. I said some of you need to just go ahead and get out of the market altogether, or at minimum you need to tighten up those stops and lock in the lion's share of the gains. And those that listen are happy campers today. Those that did not, well, you've had to wait a very long time for the market to get back to this level. So be smart. That's the power of the pulse wave reports. That's what they're there for. All right. Do something smart here. All right. So that is the chart segment. Now it's time to play some trades. So now this is where we have to say goodbye to the social medias and go into our private session. All right. So, Frank, you want to go ahead and do the honors there?
Yeah, sorry, I was playing with our Discord. I was just finding messages, straightening it up. By the way, I did just post a couple updates about places we're posting our Discord for any of you algo capitalists who want to check that out. But we're going to say goodbye. Dex, we forgot to mention, tomorrow we're going to go for part 4. What did we say? Pop method, right? We're going to do a brand new tutorial with the pop method, and Dex is going to lead that. I'm excited about it. The pop method is one of the coolest things you could ever learn as a trader. So look for that tomorrow. I didn't set it up yet, but we'll let you know on tomorrow's bullpen, and it, of course, will be easy to find. So goodbye to all of you on the public channels. If you're a member, go to pulsewavetrading.com. And if you're not a member, definitely go to pulsewavetrading.com. Get your credit card out and just freak out and buy everything. And we'll see you in the private section, which is right here. You just click on Watch Now or Dashboard. You find it in 2 seconds. And this is what it looks like, this actual session.
That's right. Play your part in this great, wealth transfer. You want the wealth to transfer to you.
That's right.
All right. So if you want to participate in the greatest wealth transfer in American history, you need to get on over to pulsewavetrading.com so that you can participate and partake in this process.
Yeah,
Time is running out.
We've been doing such cool content. We've been focusing on what we do instead of what we sell. We have a wonderful deal going on here. We just released, our new bullpen memberships, and you can watch webinars about it. But also, actually, that webinar button brings you right to that webinar page. But also, we have a wonderful deal. We're coming out with the what we're currently calling the Capitalist Letter, as well as the Algo Capitalist Society, which is going to be a Web3 component to what we do. So right now, if you go for the yearly, which is a huge savings over both of our monthly subscriptions, it's a yearly pro. It's this middle membership, but it's less than 4 months worth of less than 4 months cost. It's like a 75% discount. But also there's an insane value because we're doing our lifetime founders pass. We haven't put that out yet. We haven't really told people much about it. And that's why we're letting you get an airdrop of it before it's even out. So you could find out more right here from our homepage. These are the things that we're going to be doing. You click right there. It'll bring you to some more info about what that is. Let me just say, if you like Dex and what he's done, this is the next level. This is something that we've been wanting to do and trying to figure out to do together for a few years. And, we're on the eve of starting the beta testing of that stuff. So if you go for the yearly membership, you get a permanent ticket to the Algo Capitalist Society and the beefiest version of the Capitalist Letter. So I don't think I've hit that hard enough. Sometimes, for a while, it's all I was talking about. But with all this great stuff, you guys are starting to see what we're rolling out and how useful it is. And so, maybe take a second look at that, because it's a fantastic deal. Look at a full year of the Algo Capitalist bullpen and permanent access to the Capitalist Letter, which is going to be really valuable, really useful. So, all right, bye, social media people. We love you. Algo Capitalist members, pulsewavetrading.com, and we're about to do the private segment of our broadcasts.